Syringes provide an economical and reasonable accurate way to measure wastewater process samples if the syringe is used properly. There are two main things to be aware of when you use them. We'll cover those as we go through the video. As you draw a sample up into the syringe, air pockets usually develop. There's a big air bubble. Now you need to check throughout the syringe for other air bubbles. There's just some small ones on this side. Now what we do is plunge the syringe back and forth to flush out the air bubbles. Do that maybe 3 times or so. Then draw up some liquid very slowly into the syringe. Check for bubbles again. There's still some small ones. You'll need to plunge the air bubbles out again. Then draw up some liquid very slowly into the syringe. Check for bubbles again. You need to keep repeating until there are no bubbles. Now we need to place the plunger in the right position so that we get an accurate measurement. Every time you draw up a sample into the plunger, make sure you draw past the point of the amount of sample you need, so that when you are setting the volume of the plunger, you have enough liquid in it. Next, push the plunger to the desired sample measurement spot. Note, the plunger tip is shaped like a cone. I am pointing to the part of the cone which needs to line up with the desired measurement line on the syringe tube. Now that you've got the plunger set, use a tissue and dab any drops off the tip, both the sides and the end of it. Be careful when soaking up these drops that you don't draw liquid out of the inside of the tip. Next, discharge the sample into the testing container. There may be a drop of sample left on the tip of the syringe. To remove it, slide the tip up against the side of the testing container. This will draw the drop off the tip. Mission accomplished.